What's good, YouTube? Back with your girl Araya, back in the cut with another YouTube video. And today, guys, I'll be teaching you how to make play-doh. So, the ingredients you would need: a container, something to mix with, then some type of soap, but this is shampoo, some shaving cream. As you can see, it says shaving cream right there, and some water. And color is optional. And flour. So first thing you wanna do is pour you some soap. My soap is already in here because I was like, oh, let's hurry up and just make a video out of it. So my soap's already in here. So yeah, you just put. It depends how much Play-Doh you want. That's how much soap you need to put. So I fill mine up to right here. You can see it. But and next thing you wanna do, put some shaving cream. And I already put shaving cream in it too. But yeah. And right now I'm just mixing it. You just want to mix them two things up. And I'm going to show you what it should look like when you're done mixing. Well, right now I'm teaching you how to make soft Play-Doh, not the real hard Play-Doh. The soft Play-Doh, that's why I put shaving cream. You know. Okay, so and if you want color, I want yellow. This is what I'm using for the color. Dang it. Dang it. Okay, so let's just scrape it off like that. Just like a little bit more. There you go, then you slide it off back and put it on the back. So we can move this now. You can buy how much color you want if you want it color. So, oh yeah, and I gotta show you what it looks like now. Hold up. I think I wanted a darker yellow before I show y'all, because when you add the flour, it's gonna make it dark color. It's gonna make a darker color. So you know, just warning you. So yeah, I dark yellow. I don't want it like super dark, but I want a dark yellow. I want it to I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. Like this one right here. Let me show you. Okay, time to do. And yeah, I will be doing a slime one pretty soon, by the way. But I just need some glue. Can you see it? Yeah. This is what it should look like. Put the camera back up. So, next thing you want to do is store. Oh yeah, put your water in. Now, so only just like a little drop. That was more than a drop. Yeah. Oh my goodness! Look, can you just get paint all over me? That's why you should not put your elbow on the table. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Like just put that over because I just keep, I'm gonna just mix the water. Okay. This looks like slime, so I keep it over. And you just want to get a little spoon, put some flour on it, like this much flour. Just and then I'm gonna mix it up. See, that's why I said about the dark color, because it's getting darker. Ready? So I'm just gonna mix it. Keep mixing. Yeah. Add a little more water. And I'm trying not to make this video super long. That's why I'm trying to like hurry up. Hurry up. I'm gonna add a little more water, y'all. Just because, you don't have to. I'm just adding water. Okay, I'm gonna put another tablespoon of flour. No, just like mix it. Try not to make this video so long. Add some more flour. So far I did 3 things flour. Tablespoons of flour. So yeah. Right now is mixing it. Seasoning bigger. Put another one. It's trying to act like it's about to turn into slime a little bit. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Okay, so. So make sure you slide it off the spoon because it still be like liquidy stuff on the spoon. By the way, just a warning. Let me just put 4, a 4th one. Oh, look at all this flour like it's good. So I'm just gonna be like, don't go. I don't know what this video is 7 minutes. It gotta be less than 20. So I'm gonna be back with y'all when it's just keep adding flour until it gets like real doughy. Like not real doughy to make it hard, but like just doughy enough. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I'm telling you. Because I don't want this video super long, that's why I'm trying to do this. Oh my, I got all of my. So it would look like this, and it took me 7 tablespoons because I did make a pretty big one. So right now I'm just like trying to play with it, so with the flour, and make sure whatever surface you use to play with it on, and you should, make sure you put flour on it so it won't be like, so it can be like collecting it, so it can. After this, I'm getting back in the tub. Oh, I can't. Yes, I can. I'm getting back in it. Okay. Because I'm messy. So, I look at my play-doh. I think I'm going to have to add more paint because it's just white. It looks dull. It looks like a dough. Piece of dough. See, look at my play-doh. I feel like I did so amazing on this one. So, put in the comment section if you did it. Put in the comment section if you liked it. Like, I'm talking about if you like the play-doh. And please like, subscribe, and get more people over to my channel. And yeah. And what else? Make sure you turn on the post notification because I have been posting lately, but I will try to because my sister told me that somebody said that they will follow me, but I just got to keep posting. So yeah. So drop a like, subscribe, and put on that post notifications. It's the bell. So yeah. If you like the video, put a like and hold it. So bye. Boom. Peace.